After trying and enjoying this recipe or those chicken wings in your house, in your kitchen, I think you will ask yourself a question why you've been going for half cooked grocery chicken wings. Stick around and check this easy, simple going chicken wings recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Truly appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. Why is it that everybody loves chicken wings? Like, guys, my home, my family, we can't have enough of chicken wings. Now, this is one recipe that there is no secret to achieve the best and juicy chicken wings. It is very fast. All you need is first grab your fresh chicken wings, okay, well cleaned. I love to use vinegar to clean my chicken. I don't know, for one reason, just give me the best cleaned chicken. If you care, you can do your so or go for lemon juice. Now you want to separate your chicken wings from the drums, okay? The lower part from or the wings from the drum. Now, after which you are done with that, just as I do on the screen, it is very simple. Get your knife and find the best position to cut through. Now, if you have achieved doing that, you want to move ahead to season. Now, let's talk about the spices you will go for. Please take a minute and hit the like button if you haven't done so. Before I introduce my own spice, let's talk about yours. What do you have? What is your favorite flavor? How do you put your spices or herbs together? We can make the same meal, the same recipe, the same spice, and also will not achieve the same taste. So it is not always advisable to go look for the same spices that I used. If you have it at home, make use of it. If not, get what you have, what you are used to achieve a delicious taste also. And for today, these are my spices. First, I went in with peppered garlic powder with a touch of turmeric flavor in there. I went in with some garlic powder because the first one, the garlic in there wasn't good enough. I went in with chicken spice, any chicken spice of your choice will do. I went in with paprika powder, some bunion powder, and salt. Now you can make use of any spice you have at home. If you don't have others, then I mentioned you should have paprika powder, you should have bunion powder, you should have maybe any herbs, dry herbs would do, okay? And then you want to seal all that in with some oil, some vegetable or sunflower oil. You want to get your baking tray, lay out a parchment paper and spread out your marinated chicken wings. Bake at 230 degrees C for 30 to 35 minutes. Should be at least 30 minutes depending on how you want to have it. While we bake our chicken, we use this time to prep a flavored herbs. So you want to go for favorite herbs of your choice. I will go for fresh rosemary. You can also choose to go for dry rosemary. If you don't like the flavor of rosemary, rosemary is very intensive, okay? If you don't like the flavor, you can go for any other herbs of your choice. You can go for parsley. So I will chop all that, introduce in a small bowl like this, hardened chili flakes or chili powder. If you also do not want to have it hot, please keep the chili powder, just season with any pepper of your choice. Now it's been 25 minutes, so we'll pour in the dropout sauce or dropout juice from our chicken wings in our rosemary chili powder. Stir everything together to combine and get a brush to brush up your chicken wings. This will give it an amazing, I mean a powerful flavored chicken wings and spicy. You can also choose to skip the part of using the chicken wings juice to brush up back, okay? You can go for melted butter, add it to your herbs and chili, brush up and bring back to the oven to continue to grill at the same heat at least 5 to 7 minutes, okay? But please keep your eyes on your chicken wings. We are doing this on a high heat. This is the only way you will achieve what you want, okay? On a high heat. Just keep your eyes. Oven works differently. Until you are satisfied, then you can get it out. Now at this point we are ready to go. Our chicken wings is back from the oven and it looks absolutely delicious. Let me first use this time to say thank you so much for still watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Please take a minute and like this video for me if you haven't done so. It will go a long way for my channel. Thank you so much for doing so. Now look at this pure goodness of homemade chicken wings. It is very simple to put together. Why should you get a half-cooked chicken wings when to make it in your kitchen? It's also very fast to achieve your own taste and how to have it from scratch. Thank you so much for watching to this time. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. What is your thought about this recipe? Like this video for me, share with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Sorry for this upside down part, okay? And bye for now.